Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front bumper reinforcement. I've already done it because I lost footage of, well, some footage of already doing it. So this is just a redone intro. So all you're going to need is a 13 mil. I like using the 12 points. If you want, you could use the 6 point, your preference. So it's going to be 4 bolts on the bumper reinforcement bar, and then it's 3 nuts on inside the bumper reinforcement, as you can see here. So you got a total of 8 bolts between the driver and passenger, and you got a total of 6 nuts between the driver and passenger. So let's get on to the footage. I got 2 10 mils in the middle. Remove those. Now we're gonna put the front bumper reinforcement on. Line the hose up. And then we're gonna proceed and put the nuts back in. 3 on this side, 3 on the opposite side. And now the opposite side. And then lastly, we're gonna put the 10 mil bolts back in. Alright, now we're gonna hook up our ambient temperature sensor. It goes into the hose, as so. I had to connect this off camera because my tripod is not low enough to record under here. So lastly, make sure these 2 hoses line up. This circle one goes right there, and then the triangular piece goes right there. And that's it.